Yesterday, Meta fired 8,000 people. The same day, Microsoft told thousands of employees, here's a check, now leave. And the reason behind both? 3 letters, AI. Meta just announced it's cutting 10% of its entire workforce, roughly 8,000 people, effective May 20th. And they're also canceling 6,000 open job listings. That's 14,000 jobs just gone. Meanwhile, on the exact same Thursday, Microsoft offered voluntary buyouts to 7% of its US workforce, the first time in the company's 51-year history. So what's happening? In short, big tech is spending so much money on AI that they need to cut humans to pay for it. Meta's AI budget for this year? Up to $135 billion. That's nearly double what they spent last year. And Microsoft? Somewhere around 110 to 120 billion. Meta's chief people officer told employees the cuts will offset the other investments we're making. Translation, your salary is being redirected to a data center. Mark Zuckerberg himself said on an earnings call that projects that used to require big teams can now be accomplished by a single, very talented person. Cold? Maybe, but he's not wrong, and he's not the only one saying it. Microsoft's AI chief Mustafa Suleyman said in February that AI will replace most white-collar work within 12 to 18 months. Let that timeline sink in. And this isn't just Meta and Microsoft. Nearly 95,000 tech workers have been laid off in 2026 alone. Oracle cut 30,000, Amazon topped 16,000, Snap cut 1,000, Block slashed 4,000. The pattern is clear. If you're studying computer science or working in tech right now, this is your reality check. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're shape-shifting. Companies want fewer people who can work with AI, not large teams doing things AI can automate. The skill that matters most in 2026? Knowing how to make AI do what you need. 8,000 fired, thousands more offered the door, and it all happened on the same Thursday. If AI can replace whole teams, what does your job look like in 18 months? Drop your take in the comments. Like, subscribe, and we'll keep you ahead of the curve.